This video is about how to complete your product design page decision entries in less than 5 minutes. So one day your boss comes to you and says, hey, I want you to design the company's flagship products. One is an action capture camera, the other is a UAV drone. Both of them must have a PQ, performance quality rating, of 4.4. Can you do it? So you dump out all of your decision entries onto your desk. What a mess. Very quickly, you realize that there are all kinds of ways to make a 4.4 PQ camera. You could build a 4.4 performance quality or PQ rating with a 9mm image sensor and a 230K LCD display screen. You could also get it by selecting a 10mm image sensor, a 7/4 photo modes, or a 430 LCD display with an 8mm image sensor size, or an absolutely top-of-the-line image quality, and change everything else around. As long as you have a PQ rating of 4.4, the boss is happy, right? So you go back to your boss with 100 different 4.4 PQ cameras and say, which one of these camera designs do you want? They are all a PQ of 4.4. So the customer will like them all equally as well? Yes, says your boss. All of these designs will sell equally well because they're all of a PQ of 4.4. But the one that we want is the one with the lowest cost, because that will give us the greatest profit. So all you have to do is make the total camera production assembly cost as small as possible, right? You say? As long as you keep the PQ constant, says your boss. To summarize, your job is to test all kinds of combinations of decision entries, holding PQ constant, and find the lowest total camera production assembly cost. That is how we will make the most money on the product design page. So which PQ do you pick? We'll go over that in another video. Only when you have practiced and mastered this skill of finding the lowest total cost per unit for a given PQ can you move on to understanding which PQ to pick. If you like this content, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting spreadsheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of your marketing pages, hit the link in the description.